Morning everyone, rain update, Leverne. As you can see, we've had a little bit of rain, unbelievable rain actually. I'm just going to check the rain gauge now. Yep, there's another 25, so we've had 55 mil. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 55 mil since 6 o'clock last night. So that's all done. 65 mil. You can see water there, water there, water there. I'll make it a quick one. The dam's all flooded. The tanks are all overflowing. In fact, very much overflowing. I'll show you how much. I won't put any more. You can see how much this one's overflowing. It's dribbling out. I've got water everywhere. Once again. You can see it's dribbling straight out of there. Which means that tank's full. So, we need some more rain? I don't think so. I've got stacks. Anyway, that's it for now. So 55 mils in 4 hours.